Hi guys, I am Farhan from Whatever You Want YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to download audio and video song easily and fast and connect with others. I am saying that to chat with others. First step is open your browser. Okay, and type in the URL www.imesh.com and enter, and this is what you get after you type in www.imesh.com. Again I will say www.imesh.com. okay, Imesh. You can see here this Imesh software is very easy and trustful software. You can listen for legal music. This is not illegal. You can listen for legal music. You can select the language what you want, and you can discover for new playlist and new artists. They come, you can see if they are professional, and you can even listen for personal DJ station of your favorite artist DJ, and you can download all your music to your smartphone or iPhone or MP3 player by downloading this Imesh, and you can share the music you love with people and who you like. That means you can connect and you can chat with others. This is not my laptop, so I can't download it, but I will say how to download. You can click this download Imesh now, this button, and after you downloading and the agreeing area, and after you downloaded, then you will get a Imesh software, and you must double click it. And first you are online as a guest or also offline. You can download music, all the songs, but you can't connect with the people and share the videos and songs. You can't do anything to chat or send requests. Only you can do is to download songs. But if you make an account simply by your email address and just make a password, then easily you can know any survey and things, know any online PayPal account. No, all are free. You can easily download songs, audio or video songs easily. You can download 3 songs in 1 minute, so you can see for 1 hour how many. And these all the downloaded songs will be directly go to your music file, or you can even change the destination. So thank you. This is Farhan from Whatever You Want.